I'm Raphael with Premier Locksmith. I'm here to show you how to open up a vehicle. Right now we're working with a GMC Terrain 2014. There's multiple ways that you could get into this vehicle. We do have easy tools to get in. The most common one we use is the green reach. We could pull the handle, but to open up the side, to use either that or to pull the lock, we use two airbags. To approach the vehicle, go down to the center of the window, apply pressure, let it open up. Once you have enough opening, go up to the top, apply the second airbag, just so you could have enough. We are going to be using the claw to reach down and pull the tab that's inside. Once you grab a hold of the tab, pull up, release the airbags, and open. That's our training video for opening up a vehicle.